My role here as a sanitation tech, making sure there's not any bacteria around that can hurt people, hurt the employees or our customers. We are the backbone of the company because without us, the product won't run.
Sanitation is important here. Employee safety and customer safety. Our products have allergens. It's our job to make sure everything's clean so the next product is sent correctly out to the public, to our customers.
Production can get pretty hectic. Whenever production goes down and they need something washed, they'll call us. You can expect to be on the margarine side of the room or the DSM side of the room, cleaning floors, everywhere basically. In sanitation, it's very physical, especially when we're breaking down pumps, breaking down mills. They're pretty heavy. Every day you can expect different smells, some good, some very bad. We get dirty, we get splashed with scrap. The floors are very slippery. I like to deal with these challenges. Obviously, it's very noisy, so I like to keep my earplugs in. I always keep my boots on, apron, all that stuff the whole time, even though it gets very hot.
My whole arms, my wrists starts getting sweaty, my head, my entire body. We're working with a lot of hot water, a lot of strong chemicals. All the stuff that we're provided for is very essential. That's what keeps us safe.
This job actually gives me a lot of pride. As a sanitation tech, I enjoy most the team aspect. We're like a little family. Everyone gets along really well. Everyone looks after each other, make sure everything's done correctly, on time. I personally enjoy that every day. I look forward coming here. Just knowing I do my job well, the products that I'm moving along that is clean and safe for the customers, very rewarding.